Hi guys, I wanted to shoot you this quick video to show you that I made a loss with my binary options robot. I lost $160 and then straight away I lost $16. I then set the robot up with some new settings and I've already started to get into profit. As you can see there, I've got 3 trades of 960, 960, 960 winning trades. But prior to losing this money, I wanted to show you all the winning trades that I had. So if I go all the way down, okay, and we're going to load a few screens here until I started this robot. So let's load one more, load the third screen, and then we'll go on to the fourth screen. So here we are on the fourth screen, okay. So I started this robot on the 5th of May, 22:31. Now I have a trading budget of $160. So that means I'm prepared to lose $160. So you should never trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. Okay, so I put a stop loss in of $160 and then I let the robot run. And as the robot got successful, I set up another robot, this time with a budget of $16. So at this point, I've got 2 robots running. Okay, one with a budget of $160 and some new settings, and one with a different asset which is running at $16 just to test it out. Okay, so 2 robots running, budget of 160, budget of 16. So that means I'm prepared to lose either 160 or 16. But if you add up all these payments until we get to the loss, now you can slow this video down if you want to, but I've obviously added all these up prior to making this video. Add them all up. As you come up, there's lots and lots of wins, between, just under $10 and just under $1 for the 2 robots that are running. And then I come to these 2 losses here. So what I did was I added all those up and I then took away these 2 losses. Now I'm not including these 3 here because that's a new bot with new settings and new assets. Okay, so that's up until the numbers I'm going to show you is up until this point here for these 2 losses. So if you've added all those up, as I have, that comes to $297.60 of winning trades. Then I had that minus $16, okay? So I have to take that off the 297. And then I had a minus $160 as also a losing trade. That gives me a profit of $121.60, all on complete autopilot. Once I set it up, I forgot about it. I didn't have to do anything with this. I could set up other robots doing other types of trading. I can trade manually myself and I can go about my day. This is done all on complete autopilot. Now, if you want to get access to our binary options robot, then below this video, you're going to find a link to zukul.com. Once you get to zukul.com, at the top here, you'll see products. Click that link. That will take you down to this section. Now, all of these packages here, okay, from the silver, you can add the binary option as an extra, okay, but you won't get it monthly. You won't be able to pay monthly if you go that route, okay. So if you buy the silver package and you want to add the binary options, you can, but you'll have to pay the whole year's payment subscription up front. If you want to get the binary options package monthly, then this is the package you want, the binary options bot. So you get for $40 or £40 or €40, depending on where you are, and that's payable in Bitcoin, okay? You get the binary option, plus you'll get some of the other zukul robots as well. So you'll get the crypto to fiat robot, you'll get the crypto to crypto robot, you get the semi-automatic robot, and you will get access to Johnny Blockchain's arbitrage robot, okay? And you'll have a maximum trading budget of $1,500 on all the other robots. With the binary options, you can trade as much as you like, and you can set up free live robots and free demo. Recommend you do the demos first before you do the live robots. And when you do a demo robot with the binary options, make sure that you do it with real settings. In other words, if you're going to trade with a budget of, like I was, of 160, then do your demo bot at 160. If you're going to have a budget of $16, like I also had, then make sure your demo bot is $16. You know, don't go and trade in demo mode with thousands of dollars, and then when you do a live bot, you're only trading with $16 because it won't be the same, will it? Okay, but you must understand that if we look at this here, up until this point, I was winning, and that was $297. Now, I could have had that set up in a demo and said, right, that's good enough now. I'm going to make it live. And lo and behold, I'd have made it live and I would have lost. Okay, so just because a robot had lots and lots of winning trades doesn't mean it's going to win the next trade. You know, it's all based on market conditions and what happens with the charts and so on. So all trading comes with risk. Okay, so only trade with money you can afford to lose. Obviously, you want to make a profit like I have, and that's the 121.60 profit I made after those two losses. So happy trading. Look forward to seeing you on the inside of Zukul. You have an amazing day, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye now.